Chicken Francis. Chicken in a white wine lemon cream sauce, but what makes it really special is the battered crust that's on the chicken. Really quick and easy, really delicious. Chicken breast. Split it in half horizontally to form 2 breasts. Whisk together egg and milk. Flour, good amount of pepper, salt. Just give it a mix on the plate. Flour dredge first. Then heat up the oil and then we'll do the egg dredge just before we cook. Allow the excess to drip off. Save the leftovers to make an omelette. Look at that beautiful golden colour. This is what makes Chicken Francis so special, that beautiful golden crust. Slice up a lemon. And we're just going to pan fry the lemon to soften it. This also takes out the bitterness from the pith, as well as soaking up all the golden bits left in the pan from the chicken, which is going to add flavour to the sauce. Just pan fry for about 90 seconds until it's softened and lightly browned. Oh, look how easy that was. I can cook, I swear. Before we go into the next step, we want to give the pan a really good clean out. Sauce time. Butter, flour, cook it off for a minute. This is what's going to thicken the sauce. So the trick to avoiding lumps in your sauce is to whisk while you're slowly pouring the liquid in, and then just add it gradually. See how the roux just literally dissolved into the liquid? And then wine. So if you do the gradual pouring while you're stirring method, then you should be lump free, but if you do have any pesky lumps, then just get a whisk and give it a light whisk like this. What you don't want to do is scratch the bottom of the pan, so just do it lightly across the surface. Salt and pepper. Simmer the sauce for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens into kind of like a syrup consistency, so that's what you're looking for. Then place the chicken into the sauce, partially to reheat, but also because we're going to sauce it up before we serve it. And also lemon pieces. Baste the chicken with the beautiful sauce. A little bit lemony, a little bit white winey, all sorts of tasty. Sprinkle with parsley and voila! Chicken Francis, ready to serve. That chicken is so crazy juicy. All mine. Joseph, would you like some Chicken Francis? You can have this because there's wine in it. I have to scrape off the sauce. Look at him smacking his lips for plain chicken breast. Chicken Francis with no sauce. That's so ridiculous.